Gozas on the go.
And we're the Gozas, so let's go. Oh, here we are finding local color in Birmingham. I'm playing with my crayons, and then Chattanooga,
where we found this incredible sculpture field. There are about 30 sculptures in this field. Fun art you can walk around and see, and just gotta watch out for the fire ants.
And cooling our heels in Knoxville at the World's Fair Park.
This is where we spent the 4th of July having, wait for it, water fights!
Yeah, a little, this is how we settle our disagreements. Water balloons!
Yes, this was a lot of fun, and it was free to do. They just had some things set up there. You could get some water balloons and fire them at each other.
And I have to say,
I won.
No, I did. We both got wet, so we both won.
Oh, yes. That was the best part. And there's the ball thingy from the World's Fair. Then we went to
Pigeon Forge,
Tennessee, where we got to ride a mountain roller coaster.
It was more like a toboggan on rails, but they call it a coaster. It was really great, though.
A lot of fun. Nice scenic views on the way up and zooming on the way down.
No ups and downs like a roller coaster. You just go down, down, down.
Well, first there's an up.
Well, first there's an up, yes.
And then there's a down.
All the ups are at the beginning.
And then we got to take a little drive through Smoky Mountains.
Smoky Mountains National Park.
And we went on a little hike while we were there.
Waterfalls and mountains and valleys.
And bears! Oh, that was
and a log that you can walk across. Oh, I'm not sure you're supposed to. But
there was a lot of people that did it. It was fun. That's Cataract Falls. It's just a little waterfall behind the visitor center that we got to see.
And lots of flora and fauna.
And the Great Smoky Mountains.
Even some elk grazing beside the road.
Right. And made it on to Asheville.